Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm not going to take too much of your time. This video is not going to be more than 10 minutes because the trade I'm trying to break down now, I actually forecasted it in my last YouTube video. In case you've not watched my last YouTube video, you need to go and watch that YouTube video because I said a whole lot of things in that YouTube video that would be beneficial to traders who follow me or beneficial to anybody that wants to go into trading. Very educative. So make sure you try your possible best to go back to that YouTube video to watch it, right? So without wasting much of your time, today I'm going to be breaking down how I made $1,600 trading gold on Friday morning, right? This trade lasted for just 4 hours and we took out $1,600 for a 1:2 risk to reward take profit, right? So without wasting much of your time, let's just go straight to the breakdown. So as we all know, if you've been following my previous videos, you would always know that I go first from the higher time frames to get my trades, right? So without wasting much time, let's go to the weekly time frame. So from the weekly time frame, this is the fair value gap that I framed this particular entry from, right? This fair value gap right here. This particular fair value gap was the weekly fair value gap where I got this entry from, right? So without wasting much time, let's go straight to the 4-hour time frame to see the price action that I noticed, which helped me enter gold buys again, right? So if you watched my previous video, this was actually that last loss that we took, and then if you watch that video, you would see that this particular fair value gap, I mentioned it on that video, and I was like, I would be expecting to see price come into this fair value gap, and then I would expect to see a price action that I would look out for in order to enter this trade. What was I looking out for? If you've been following my previous videos, repeating the same thing over and over again, making it simple for myself, right? So price came into this particular fair value gap. This was actually that weekly fair value gap we talked about. When price came into it, I came down to the 4-hour time frame, which I am in now. So what was I expecting to see? Price removing the particular high that brought price into this fair value gap, right? Removing this high is now seen as a resistance, right? So price taking it out in the 4-hour time frame actually means that, yeah, we're about to go continue the bullish run, right? So we see what happened there when price started moving up. This was actually the resistance or the particular supply zone that brought price into this fair value gap. So what happened when price took it out from here, this particular 4-hour candle? That was how I entered this trade. So I entered this trade taking gold to the upside, looking to take my profits from this particular high here, right? But what happened? Gold continued and then formed a daily time frame fair value gap. Let's go down to the one day daily time frame, right? 1 day. So coming down to the daily time frame, what do we see here? This is actually that daily time frame fair value gap, right? That I got the second entry from, and that second entry was what made me this profits, right? So this actually daily time frame fair value gap, and as we can see also, the daily time frame order flow is still bullish, right? Overall bullish, right? So from this daily time frame fair value gap, as you all know, I go down to my 1-hour time frame. Coming down to the 1-hour time frame, this is that daily time frame fair value gap. If you've been following my previous videos, you would always see that what I'm looking out for is a price action that would help me take price to the upside from the daily time frame fair value gap if the order flow is bullish, right? So being that gold is bullish, what was I expecting to see here? This candle was the last candle that brought price into this particular fair value gap. I was expecting to see price take it out as a resistance. I was expecting to see price take it out in the 1-hour time frame, and I was expecting also to see a fair value gap out of the daily time frame fair value gap on the 1-hour time frame, right? So this was actually the break when it happened. It happened around 3 a.m. when it broke above that high. I wasn't awake by then, I was asleep. But when I woke up around 4:50 something, around to 5 a.m. on that Friday morning, I saw price revisiting that particular fair value gap. Then I have every reason to enter this trade. And I was able to capitalize a 1:2 risk to reward profit on this trade. And that was how I made $1,600 on this particular second entry, right? So how was I able to manage my first entry? Let's go down to the 4-hour time frame to see how I managed my first entry to avoid a loss on this particular trade, right? Yeah. So according to my trading plan, this particular leg here, where the stop loss is, the second entry stop loss is, was actually the leg that engineered this break of structure to this upside. So anything that makes price come below it is actually going to look like an invalidation, right? So according to my trading plan, to be on a safe side and to avoid a loss on this particular trade after taking profits from this second entry, I had to set break even on it. And as you can see, that was how price hit our break even on this particular first entry, right? And that was how we managed to protect this trade from being a loss, right? That was how I actually managed this trade. Thank you very much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. God bless you so much. See you on my next video. Thank you very much once again, and God bless you. Peace out.